Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up and use the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So let's head to the settings. In the settings we want to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Over here we need to go down and go to more security settings. And then here at the top we have secure folder. Now we need to press continue one more time. Now we are creating the secure folder, so let's wait a couple of seconds. Now we can also see the information about the secure folder while it is loading. So you can get familiar with the feature. And let's wait a couple of more seconds. Alright, after that we will see the information that we need to set a pattern, pin or password. So we need to set up like a lock screen for our secure folder. So in my case I'm gonna go with a pin code, and it needs to be at least 6 digits. So let me actually set up an easy one, then go for continue. If the pin code is easy, then you will be suggested that you should change the pin code. I'm gonna use it anyway, and then we need to enter the same pin code one more time to confirm it. Let's press OK. Now over here we have this feature that is called reset with Samsung account. So if you forget how to unlock your secure account, your secure folder, you can reset your lock using your Samsung account, but only if you have already turned on reset with Samsung account. So if you enable this option, then you can actually use this feature. I'm not gonna do that. I can cancel it, and now we can press next. And over here we have our secure folder. So here we can see and add apps that we want to secure in some way. So let's say I'm gonna choose Facebook, and then let's press add. And there we go. Now we have our app added to the secure folder. If we tap on these 3 dots over here, then we can also find some additional options that you might need to use for the future. And that's pretty much it. Keep in mind that everything you add to the secure folder is like a new instance rather than a way to hide apps, because even if you add some apps into the secure folder, they will be still accessible normally. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.